Welcome to Gilda Workshop. I'm so glad that you are with me again. Today I have a magical tutorial for you about how to create luxurious royal crown from crystals. You can check this accessory and order it on Etsy.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put your thumbs up. Also, please press bell icon to get notified about new videos. Okay, enjoy watching! You can't even imagine how this crown shines. Unfortunately, my camera can't show all the beauty of accessory, but anyway, I hope you like my work and this video will be useful for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll start to make more videos for you. Press the bell icon down and don't miss new tutorials. We will meet soon. Bye!